Mama, tell me a story.
No, but it's time for a yoga session.
No, tell me story.
No, let's do yoga first.
No, story first.
No, yoga first.
Story.
Okay, let's do one thing. Let me tell you a story and have a yoga session together. How is that?
Oh, that's a nice idea.
है ना?
Yeah.
So, let's do that. And all you parents and children out there, do join us in this video. Let's do it together. So, this is the story of a brave soldier. Okay? This brave soldier was given a mission, and the mission was to defeat the deadly corona monster. एक कोरोना मॉन्स्टर को उसको हराना था. And this soldier was sent to an island, and there he was to fight this deadly corona monster. So the soldier got up in the morning, and before going for the fight, he thought, let me focus and think about what to do ahead. आज मुझे क्या करना है उसके बारे में सोचता हूँ. Or let me take a few stretches and deep breaths. So let's stretch like the brave soldier. So let's start with the Tadasana stretch. Keep your feet together, पैर को साथ में रखिए, hands interlocked, hands over the head. Inhale and stretch up. Exhale and release the hands over the head. Inhale up, lengthen, stretch. Exhale down. Inhale up 3. Exhale down. Inhale 4. Bring your hands close to your ears. Exhale down. Inhale 5. Stay on your toes. Stay here. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale down. Slowly release your hands. Now on his mission, the soldier traveled a long distance. Soldier को बहुत लंबा walk करना पड़ा. And काफी थक गया था. And he came underneath a tree. एक बड़ा सा large beautiful tree. And soldier thought, let me rest for some time underneath this tree till I go further. So why don't we become a tree? So let's become the tall majestic tree. So fold your right leg and bring it very close to the left inner thigh. Bring your hands to your heart center. Slowly lift your hands up like a tall tree. Keep the smile on your face. Keep your gaze fixed. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your hands back. Slowly release your leg. Let's become another tree on the other side. Big one with branches, okay? So fold the other leg. And hands here. And let's open the branches. Up. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands back. Slowly release your leg. So the soldier thought, let me sit under this tall, beautiful, majestic tree. चलो मैं इस सुंदर tree के नीचे बैठता हूँ. So let's try sitting underneath the tree. Okay? Now how will we do it? Let's not hold our hands, cross your legs and see if you can sit down. Can you do this? Try. Yes. And can you come up without support? Once more. Let's do it. Yay. And once more sit down. Yay. Now the tree had, some beautiful creatures living there. And one beautiful creature is a butterfly. Lots of butterflies were there. Beautiful colors. So let's become a butterfly. आपका favorite pose करते हैं, तितली आसन. So, bring your soles together and heels inwards towards your perineum and start butterfly. Chest lifted. 1, 2, faster. 3, 4, 5, 6, faster. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now the soldier is thinking, thoda rest le leta hu, let me sleep under this tree. So let's take some rest underneath the tree. So bring your hands by the side, take your legs back and slowly lie down in prone position. You know, this is the prone position. In this position, our body intakes much more oxygen than in any other position when you are sleeping on your stomach. So here the soldier thought, let me lie down. And suddenly the soldier sees a black cobra, dangerous black cobra. Let's become a cobra, okay? Bring your hands close to your chest. Cobra ban jate. Inhale and lift your upper body up. Keep your shoulders relaxed away from your ears. What does a cobra do? Hiss. So become a cobra. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So the soldier was not scared of any black cobra. He's a brave soldier. So he immediately took out his bow and arrow and shot at the cobra. Why don't we become the bow? Okay. So fold your legs. Okay. And hold the ankles. देखो अब ankles पकड़ो अपने या the foot, the top of the foot, and bring your heels closer and inhale and lift your heels away from your buttocks. Lift your upper body up. Become a bow. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release the pose. अब ये soldier तो hero बन गया because there was a village near that and the villagers, they came and they were wanting to see this big brave soldier who has killed the cobra. वो सारे गांव वाले देखना चाहते थे और कुछ बच्चे उनका ऑटोग्राफ भी लेना चाहते थे. तो let's become a child, okay? So place your hands down and come up and slowly get into child's pose, forehead on the mat. Relax your spine in child's pose. Take 5 deep breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come up. Suddenly the soldier sees his enemy. And where was the enemy? On top of a large mountain. There the enemy. Now the soldier thought, let me climb this mountain and attack the corona monster. Let me attack this enemy. So let's become this tall mountain. So place your hands down firmly on the mat and bring your knees up. Walk your legs slightly, one step. Walk your legs and then press your chest closer to your thighs. Try to straighten your knees, mountain pose. And breathe here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So the soldier climbs the mountain and attacks the enemy. So become a warrior like a soldier. Place your right leg in front, right knee over the ankle, thigh parallel. Take both hands up into a warrior pose. Lift your chest, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Space out the legs little more. Hand in a straight line. Hands are in a straight line. Knee over the ankle. Warrior 2. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more warrior, reverse warrior. And open your armpit, hold for 5, 4, good, 3, 2, 1. Come back, hands down. Go back onto the mountain. तो अभी दूसरी तरफ भी अटैक करते हैं कोरोना मॉन्स्टर को. Place your left leg in front. Turn your right leg foot. 45. Left knee over the ankle. Inhale up. Warrior on the left side. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Space out the legs. Little more. Chest lifted. Hands in a straight line. Warrior 2, 5, brave soldier, 4, 3, 2, 1, come up. Right hand back, left hand up and back. Bend the front knee over the ankle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back, hands down. And back on the mountain. So the corona monster is dead. The soldier is victorious. Soldier ने जीत लिया. And now the soldier has to go back home. उसको घर जाना है, अपने बच्चों से मिलना है, अपने छोटे बेबी से मिलना है. So he goes into a boat because he is on an island. So let's become the boat. Okay? Let's do the boat pose. So for the boat pose, bring your hands up, lift your chest, and slowly see if you can lift your legs up. You can stay here, and if you can try straightening the leg. Keep your chest lifted. Hold the pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring your legs back. एक और बोट करें. Okay, I'll show you a new type of boat. Okay, hold your big toes and slowly try to bring your heels up. Okay, and slowly see if you can straighten your legs. And look up at the wall joining the ceiling or at the ceiling. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring your legs down. So now the soldier is at home, अपने घर पहुंच गया है, and he is meeting his baby, and the baby is so happy. So let's become that happy baby. Okay? So for happy baby, lie down on your back, hold your insteps, and point your soles to the ceiling, and then rock yourself back and forth. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now the soldier and the baby are going to sleep. So lie down and rest and take deep breaths. As you inhale, let your stomach inflate like a balloon. As you exhale, let your stomach go down. Inhale, bring your stomach up. Exhale, release all the air, let your stomach go down. Keep the smile on your face. Just relax and take deep breaths. So how did you like the story and the yoga session?
It was lovely.
Really?
Yeah.
And which was your favorite pose?
Butterfly. I love butterflies.
And which was your favorite pose, children? And I'm sure you can all do this workout just like we have done it together. As you know, this is a tough time and parents are finding some children getting restless and एक बेचैनी सी हो रही है children में, school नहीं है, lockdown है. So why not do something like this and join us, and you will find your children getting more calmer and enjoying the workout too. So don't forget to like, share and comment on this video.
And hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so.
And press the bell icon to receive notifications each time Fitness Corridor posts a new video.
Stay inspired, stay fit, stay safe. See you again.
Namaste.